Conditional logic lets you show or hide questions based on how a user answers previous ones. It's like building a custom journey for each person filling out your form. Whether you're a teacher, business owner, or event planner, this feature saves time and reduces confusion. Make Google Forms smart with conditional logic. Want to make your Google Forms smarter, faster, and more engaging? Then you need to understand conditional logic, and why it's a total game changer. Let's say you're creating a feedback form. Why show a section about classroom experience if the user says they're not a student? Conditional logic skips that part, keeping your forms clean and relevant. This makes your form easier to use and improves the accuracy of your data. You can use conditional logic to show different questions to teachers and students, hide unnecessary sections unless they're needed, build interactive surveys that feel smart and intuitive, and the best part? No coding is needed. Let's create section here and name it as student details. I will create one more sections for teacher and I will name it as teacher details. Click the three dots icon, then select Go to section based on answer. Then from multiple choice area options you need to assign the sections of each options. You can check the preview here. It shows if you select teacher it automatically taking a teacher details section because of conditional logic applied. If you select student it automatically taking its student details section because of conditional logic applied.